My name is Eric Chargois, and Black History Month to me means the ability of actually looking back at my ancestors and acknowledging the struggles and the strengths that they had to overcome to become the great leaders that they influenced and the history that they work hard to provide for their descendants and their from out. Since 1863, things have definitely changed significantly, and it took those that actually stood up for what they believed in to actually make it to where I can go to work with those of other ethnicities and not have to be completely separated from them. I work in the Air Force, where it's a whole melting pot of people from all continents, different religions, backgrounds, to where everything is just a melting pot of equality. Versus growing up, I was that one kid during this month that everyone looked at to answer all questions Black history. So there's been a significant change from growing up to not where I am today. At work, it's not your skin color, it's actually the uniform. We, here on base, we represent this uniform, and that's it. There's no black, there's no white, there's us all working together, hand in hand.